Success. It looks like this: a firm handshake, a seat at the table, and the city skyline reflecting your ambition. But is this really the dream, or just the beginning of a bigger story? This is what making it looks like: the six-figure salary, the title, the approval, and this sound of a deep, weary sigh is what it feels like. I was living the dream and I was miserable because I had achieved financial success, but I was nowhere near financial freedom. Today, I'm mapping out the exact 5-phase journey that took me from that golden handcuff to truly owning my time and my life. Welcome to BotBuilt. Financial freedom isn't about being lazy, it's about the power of choice. It's when your investments and systems generate enough income to cover your lifestyle, so you work because you want to, not because you have to. My journey took 5 years. Here are the phases. Phase 1, the awakening. It started with a number, not my salary, but my freedom number. I calculated my annual living expenses. Let's say it was $60,000. Using the 4% rule, I needed an investment portfolio of $1.5 million to generate that passively. That number was terrifying, but for the first time, I had a real target. My $100K job was now a tool, not the goal. Phase 2, the radical optimization. I went to war with my expenses. I sold my expensive car and got a used one. I moved to a cheaper apartment. I maximized my 401k match. I was living on $50,000 a year and investing the other $50,000. My savings rate went from 10% to over 50%. This phase was about fueling the engine with every dollar I could find. Phase 3, building the escape pod. My job funded my life, but my side hustle funded my freedom. I started a freelance consulting business in my field. Every dollar from this side hustle went directly into my investment accounts. This wasn't fun money, it was freedom fuel. This created a second, faster growing stream toward my $1.5 million goal. Phase 4, the leap. When my side hustle consistently replaced 80% of my take-home pay, I jumped. But freedom isn't one income stream replacing another. I diversified. I built the side hustle further, started a small digital product, and my investments kept growing. My income was now a portfolio: active, semi-passive, and passive. Phase 5, withdrawing on my terms. This is where I am now. My investments throw off enough dividends and interest to cover my base expenses. My active work is for extra luxuries, travel, and passion projects. I'm not retired. I'm financially independent. I can say no to any project and yes to any opportunity that excites me. That is the ultimate freedom. This path isn't free. It costs time, comfort, and social capital. For 5 years, I was the boring friend who said no to expensive trips. I had sleepless nights worrying if the side hustle would work. I traded a luxury lifestyle for a simple one. You have to want freedom more than you want admiration. The journey isn't really about money. It's about a fundamental mindset shift, moving from your job being your identity to it being a tool you use to build the life you want. Once you make that shift, every financial decision becomes clear. What's your freedom number? Have you ever calculated it? Let me know in the comments below. To help you get started, I've put a free financial independence calculator spreadsheet in the description. If you're ready to start your own journey from a job to freedom, subscribe to BotBuilt. Let's build your map together.